Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make money with the Rakuten affiliate program in 2025. Even if you are a complete beginner, if you want to earn passive income by promoting your brands you already have a lab, then this video is for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the Rakuten affiliate program? Rakuten is a global affiliate network that connects publishers like you and with the connects Rakuten is a global affiliate or network that connects publishers like you with top brands like Walmart, Macy's, Best Buy, Sephora, and many more. It works like this. You sign up as an affiliate, get links to product or stores, share those links online, earn a commission every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase. It's totally free to join, and you don't need a big audience to start it. Now, go to Rakuten advertising.com, click the first link and click become a publisher. Now fill out information including your website, your email address, first name, last name, then password, and click register. Then verify your email from email dashboard. Then click activate login and get started. Then select your country like that, then province, then next, an individual, part of company, then click next, profile name, then next, and what's your primary business models like coupon deal, then next, enter your channel URL like YouTube, then search, wait a minute, enter your channel name and click next. Copy your channel name, then submit here, then refresh, then click next, skip for now, then select your traffic visitors per month, then viewer per month, then next. Then click next and submit registration by clicking by the box. Once approved, you will get access to your Rakuten dashboard where you can manage offers, get links, and track your earnings. It might take a day or two for approval, so be patient. After logging in, head over to the advertiser section. Then here you can browse through thousands of brands, apply to each one individually, get approved and access their affiliate materials. Some brands auto approve while others may manually review your application. Start with less competitive and niche brands. If you are new, look for high commission rates and brands your audience will actually care about. Once approved by a brand, go to the link tab. You will find text links, banners, banner ads, deep links. Copy your affiliate link and start sharing it online. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission which could range from 4% to even 20% depending on the brand. You don't need a big website to promote affiliate links. Here's Here are some ideas: YouTube videos, product reviews, tutorials, kept ideas, blog posts, comparison articles, top 10 lists, how to content. Pinterest pins linking to your blog or product pages. In your Rakuten dashboard, you will see a reports section from upper right corner. Then select performance, where you can track clicks, monitor conversions, see how much commission you have earned. Rakuten pays out monthly, and you can get paid via PayPal direct deposit. Make sure you have hit the minimum payout threshold, usually around $50, depending on your currency and payment method. Here are a few pro tips to grow your Rakuten affiliate income. Focus on niche topics, targeted traffic converts better. Use SEO to rank your content on Google. Create seasonal content, holiday guides, back to school lists, etc. Absolutely, Rakuten is one of the most trusted and beginner-friendly affiliate platforms in 2025. You are working with real brands. The dashboard is simple and the payouts are reliable. It's a great alternative or supplement to Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. And that's how you make money with the Rakuten affiliate program in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Like this video, subscribe to our channel.